This is Alard item Y4311. A really cute little Z-shaped elevating conveyor. Food grade, stainless steel, of course. It is 20 inches wide. It has 8 foot of belt. It has 4-inch high cupped cleats on 8-inch centers. The horizontal infeed section down at the bottom here is 22 inches long. The discharge section, I'm going to say that's 24 inches long. And the incline section, which I probably should have had in order in the middle there, but I'm looking at the numbers here, it says 46 feet, but it's really 46 inches. We better correct that in our write-up. As I mentioned, it has 4-inch high sides. It has a 1 horsepower, 460 volt, 3-phase SEW Euro drives. The belt is used, but in very good operational condition with a lot of life left in it yet. There is some wear along the edges of these flights, but they're good and thick and in good shape. So it has new sides. It has all these nice new bearings. And we're going to put some quote-unquote product on here. Duck is food product, right? Although maybe not so much these ducks. There they are. And just kind of try and show you how nice and smooth this runs. So this is Alard item Y4311. If you have any questions about this item, give us a call at 315-589-4511. And again, Alard item Y4311. Z-shaped elevating feed conveyor in stock at Alard Equipment Company in very good to excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and operational, and I already said that, and cosmetic condition. That's what I was looking for. Available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York.